All right, it's time to talk some weather, everybody. We have cleared out the skies. I mean, a dramatic shift towards no clouds, no precipitation. We had the heavier downpours, but they're gone now. A lot of locales got around 1/2 inch of rain. Kind of a nice amount of rain to get. We didn't get too much. It just kind of ended as we got to the amount that we were looking for. Grand Rapids Tower Cam right now. Winds are slowly beginning to tone it back just a bit. We've still had some gusts at the last observations just before 10 o'clock, around 20 to 25 miles per hour. And I stepped outside here at Fox 17 a little while ago, and certainly it is breezy, but those winds are toning down, and they will be lighter to start off tomorrow morning. The early evening showers we had, those are gone, but the winds still remaining to some degree. It will come down, then start to escalate again tomorrow during the mid to late morning and afternoon. So a windy Tuesday, a windy Wednesday on tap. Quiet weather, though. I'm not looking for any precipitation tomorrow. I have been mentioning this prospect for a sprinkle. I think north of Grand Rapids at some point tomorrow afternoon underneath this mid-level cloud deck that will increase. That is a possibility. But as far as actual rain, we're not going to be dealing with it on Tuesday. Later Wednesday evening into early Thursday morning, there may be a shower. But again, the bulk of the next 2 days are going to be rain-free. Much cooler weather arrives behind a cold front. I'm talking about a shower late Wednesday, early Thursday. That would be out ahead of a cold front that drops us noticeably. Look at this, 53 Thursday. I've got 50 on Friday and right around 50 Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. There are some signs early next week that we may get another cold front that could drop us back further. So just kind of taking an average approach. But if some of these more extreme solutions come about, we could be down in the mid-40s for highs at some point Monday, Tuesday of next week. Stay tuned on that as cooler air is going to be dumping in out of Canada. Well, we're getting a little bit of cooler air here behind this system that came through earlier today. We made it to 70 degrees, but in large part, the air behind this cold front from earlier is of Pacific origins. It'll be the front on Thursday morning that starts to drop in some Canadian air. Rain showers well off to our east at this point. Cooler pool of air, though, dropping in, and that's why we do settle down into the middle 40s overnight tonight. Look at the cold air, though, starting to gather in northern Canada. This is what you typically see this time of year. Those overnights are getting much, much longer at those northern latitudes, and allows those numbers to start to fall off more so. And if you get the right pattern, the right wind direction, we can bring some of that down. And it looks like we're trending towards cooler times ahead, as I mentioned, starting this Thursday and going into the upcoming weekend. The wind's starting to tone down, though, starting at the lakeshore. So we are going to be diminishing them in the overnight. We'll start off tomorrow morning at 44 degrees. Keep in mind a sunrise now at 7:54, getting pushed way back. Sunset at 7:02. We'll make it to 66. Not a bad Tuesday, not a bad Wednesday. It's thereafter that it turns out a bit cooler. The rain showers that I've been tracking recently, those are gone. There is a weather disturbance, Derek, Janice, tomorrow afternoon that's going to be riding to our north. The southern extent of it can bring in some extra clouds. And you see the little green colors, maybe a sprinkle. I think that's overdone. That's really the model just over-modulating and producing some of the clouds as a sprinkle. Can't rule it out, but nothing substantial. And then just spotty showers Thursday, Friday, Saturday into Sunday. Could be a little lake effect in there, but many dry hours as well. Just cool temperatures right around 50.
Very cool. Anthony, thank you. A new app